Hello guys, welcome back to again iTechHub YouTube channel and my name is Dhruvin. So guys, in this video I will show you how to enable custom story expirations on Snapchat Plus on your iPhone and Android device. Recently Snapchat Plus new features launched for the iPhone and iPad users. Snapchat Plus new features is custom story expirations for the iPhone and iPad users. In this video, I will show you how to enable, use and also turn on the custom story expirations on Snapchat Plus in iPhone and Android device. So guys, before the starting video, please make sure to subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video about iPhone and iPad. Now the custom story expirations features available for the Snapchat Plus users. It's a amazing features for the Snapchat Plus users. Now the Snapchat Plus custom story expirations time is 1 hour, 6 hours, 12 hours, 24 hours, 2 days, 3 days and 1 week. Your site time to customize custom story expirations on your Snapchat Plus. Now the Snapchat users question is how to enable, turn on and also use the custom story expirations on my Snapchat account. Now the first of all open the Snapchat applications and also take a snap. Take a snap. After you can see also right hand side bottom send to icon available. Now please make sure tap on it. Send to tap. After you can see also my story options available. Now the select the time like the 1 hour, 6 hour, 12 hours, 24 hours, 2 days, 3 days and 1 week. Select the any one time. This way you can easily enable, use and also turn on the custom story expirations on Snapchat Plus. These features not available for the normal Snapchat users. For enable these features you can get and also buy the Snapchat Plus Premium. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you have any query about it, so please DM on my Instagram. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.